There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? It's your girl A, and we back to slay today. What's up, everybody? So I hope you all are having like a really great day when y'all are watching this video. I'm just really excited about doing this video because I absolutely love their human crochet here. They have, like, in my opinion, the best, the quality, longevity of it. This is going to be the second time for me doing some of their human crochet here. If you're looking for quality, if you're looking for longevity, girl, you definitely want to try EayonHair. This time around, I had the pleasure of doing a color 42730. Their hair is definitely reusable. Like, it's reusable. It doesn't mat up. It doesn't tangle like that. So this time around, they did send me 5 packs of their 18-inch deep waterway human crochet hair. Out of all the packs, I do have a pack and probably like a quarter left. I did put about 80 braids in my entire hair. Now listen, let me tell y'all, I've had this hairstyle now for a week. And girl, when I tell you I love it, I absolutely love the hairstyle. It's so easy. Like, it's a really, really easy hairstyle. Girl, the curls in this is popping. This is what the hair looks like when you receive it. It'll look just like so. I don't even wet this hair on a daily basis. What I'll do is I'll keep it up in a bun if I don't want any of it on my shoulder, and then I'll sleep with it in a bun. I'll take it down. It still has its waves. It's still very soft and very lustful. These are the 18 inches, and I've had them in for a week. I absolutely love them because they're just so easy to maintain. I really don't have to do anything but just remove the bun and shake the hair down. I will wet it, but only like once or twice a week. It doesn't really need to be wet all the time because the waves do keep their form. So let's get into how I installed this hair. Keep in mind, my hair is thinner, so I do have thinner braids, but there is about 45 to 50 on each side of my head. So let's just get into this install.
Is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. Oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own. Sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just leave today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. She came out real cute, nice and full. There were some strands where I had 3 on or 2. I really do like to keep the fullness in the front. This is 18 inches and it's still nice and long and lengthy. Curls are gorgeous in this hair. I highly recommend using Eayon. Their hair is so reusable. Like when I tell you they have like such great quality when it comes to feather crochet hair. My first experience with them was amazing. And I feel like that's the reason why I really do like the Miracle Knots now. And I like this color too. I wasn't too sure how I was going to feel about the color, but the color is definitely giving summer beachy vibes over here. The curls, the waves, they still hold their form even after a few days without wetting it. So you don't have to worry about wetting this hair all the time. I love when you ain't got to really do much with your hair. You can just, you know what I'm saying, 1, 2, 3, and just go about your business for the day and not have to really do too much. This is what I'm talking about, the easy maintenance of Miracle Knots. I will leave all of the deets down below. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.